The doorbell. Oh no, that's the door. We got the birds. And then Grandma's and Grandpa's old car. Followed by the chaser. What else we got? Another bell. Oh, we got taxi. Let's see. We have a tambourine. I mean. We have castanet. Sounds like false teeth. And Chinese block. We have a tap cymbal, and that's the rhythm stuff. We're from England with that one, and maybe if you want to do a cuckoo clock on it has a cuckoo in it. Well, this one sounds better here. And we could do maybe a dog barking in a silent movie. And then we got some pigs here in the bottom end here. So it does different kind of sound effects, and we could also do things like bagpipes we could do, and they will sound like something like. So there's all kinds of different sounds.